Hey, it's me again. Today or tonight, I'm gonna be putting on a cold air intake because even in the summer you can get cold air. I just bought a Airaid one. Gonna be putting it on, even though it's not that exciting. It's a video and I need content. Let's make this a how-to. So you want to take off your cover, and then next you're gonna take off your old air box. Oh, for some reason you need to disconnect the battery cable. I don't know why. Maybe the map or the sensors, but we'll do it. All right, so we got that off. We're gonna take off these things. Oh, if you're thinking, hey, isn't this all the stuff from the other video? It is. I just made that video. We're gonna take off these two hoses because we don't need no hose in our life. For that, you just want like a plier or a vice grip. All right, and you're just gonna, man, that's a lot harder than I thought. All right, you need needle nose for this thing. All right, that was so easy. Not really. That one like so, and turn it. All right, then we're gonna remove this thing. So take this out, you'll loosen this. Gotta take this off. To make this easy on me, I'm just gonna take this thing out. That's that. And you remove this bolt. And then, so that bolt's gone, and now I remove this one. Take this thing out now. And voila, that's the cold air intake. It's right there. I just took out the tube just because, but this is a problem right here because it's not sealed properly, which means the airflow is probably not the same. So whatever on that, but it probably did affect something somewhere. It's still slow no matter what. Here it is. You can just put a filter on there and be good to go, but we're gonna put a bunch of plastic in there. So I just wiped down the throttle body, and this was clean, so it was really dirty. I don't know what that means, but it can't be good. This thing right here, this little snorkel, I don't know if we ever used this, so we'll see. Alright, and then we have to get the tube ready, so I'm gonna delete this cabin sound, but this is for the engine. This one we just block off because we don't need it because we got manuals. You put this little thing in if you have an automatic. The guy I bought it from just said have my mass airflow sensor. I don't know, and then I'll just put that on. Alright, so now we just move these rubber doohickeys over to this plastic doohickey. So, you know, I think mine might be broken. Maybe not, but these just are very loose. We'll just put them there. And then we put this in there. And then we take the bolt and bolt it in. We're not gonna tighten it up just quite because I want some wiggle room. Oh wait, that connects down there. Man, this car is busted. I'll put that piece back in, which means I have to take this piece back out. Okay, let's see, we got this connected. Clean that. Turns out you had to remove this grommet and like metal washer from here, and the rubber didn't stay, so I put it there. It's in, and it's very secure. It's time for the tube. Alright, so the next step was to install the rubber. We'll get the tube. Alright, so we got that tightened down, and we'll tighten down this. Alright, it's kind of been. There we go. So it's not kinked anywhere. I felt it pop on the bottom. So those are tight, those are tight. We reconnect this. That sensor's back. We have an extra one. Alright, so then we just put this big ol' honking filter on there. The weather strip is already involved, but we're gonna remove this thing because it's dumb. I'm deleting the resonators. Let's see, it was attached here and there. And then on the firewall. So I guess we gotta unscrew this. Alright, so that's off. Yep, and it just pulls out. There's this cap that they supply. You know, I'm not too sure how you get this out, but pops right in. And so there's the mass airflow tube, old air box, and here's the lovely new box. And we just gotta tighten this down, and finally done. This is what it looks like. Deleted the mass airflow, and then we also have a optional heat shield. I don't have any screws. We'll install it at some point. I'll throw it on because we don't want no hot air and cold air. Let's start it up. Pick them up. All right, let's do it. That ain't good. Now it's done. Wow. Alright, so that's gonna be it for tonight. So if you want more of this, subscribe. Plan on doing manifold at some point, actually very soon. Manifold coming soon. I already got a tuner, so I gotta get a tune and a manifold. Might do those together. That'll be it for power until we get long tubes, and then I'll dyno tune it. Appearance wise, we'll do some splitters and wicker bills. Lower it maybe. Subscribe and stay tuned. Follow my Insta. I update there more than YouTube, so see you.